Hey everybody, Adam Ortiz, DoE TV. It is great to be tuning in with you on this Friday. I'm here at the National Wildlife Visitor Center. This is a federal facility here in the county, and I'm joined by Abe Lopez and Jenny McNichol with a couple of friends. So Jenny, tell us who you have here in your left hand.
Yes, this is an American kestrel, which is the smallest falcon that you can find in North America, and these are native birds to the area.
Oh, cool. And Abe, who's this over here?
Well, this one right here, he's talking. This is an eastern Screech Owl, and he's 4 years old. He's a full-grown adult. Yes, this is as big as he's gonna get, and he's just a little bit grumpy. Yeah.
He is a cutie pie.
Yeah, and he is also they're both native.
Both
natives. Yeah, so they're both birds, and neither of them are endangered. They're both common birds. This bird is a grassland bird, so in our forested area you wouldn't typically find them around here. You might find them close by as you're driving along the interstate, some of those grass areas, over golf areas or farm fields.
Gotcha. So here in the visitor center, what services do you provide, and what should county residents know?
Yeah, that's great. We're open every day of the week except for Thursday from 9 to 4:30, and it's a free facility. We've got exhibits that people can visit, and we've got free programs for children that you can register for. We've got festivals throughout the year, and then we have conference space that is for people who are doing environmental or wildlife related conferences.
Oh, very cool. So thank you everybody for tuning in. Adam Ortiz. I'm out here in this great facility just south of Laurel off of the BW Parkway and 197. So check it out online and come visit.